Hello, dear chairman, dear scholars, dear colleagues, and dear audiences. My name is Professor Hakan USAKLI from Turkey. I am Professor of Education in SINOP University. I am the Director of Graduate School and Institutional Erasmus Coordinator. I am very glad because this is the third time I am making my welcome speech via video. So I want to thank my colleague Professor Yuri Melenik. Thank you very much, Yuri. You are conducting very great jobs. I prepared this short conversation to open and make welcome psychological and pedagogical problems of modern specialist formation. This conference will be held in June in Ukraine, Latvia. I hope this conference will be very fruitful and very useful for all scholars. I want to say something about the conference issue because the conference issue is about the problems. Yes, more than a year, our world facing very great problems because of COVID-19 pandemic. It's surrounded the world very badly. All the scholars, teachers, university workers, professors making their lessons, courses, lectures via internet. We couldn't see our students face-to-face directly. So we are facing very difficult problems. We couldn't make any experimental research. Our research only focus on to make some literature review. I hope the world will win this war against the virus. Dear Yuri, dear Chairman, I'm also thanks for this good conference series. I hope you will continue to make such a kind of scientific programs in later. Thank you very much. All the best from Turkey.